There was a little girl named Eva. She loved to help her mummy in the kitchen. One day, her mummy decided to start a kitchen garden in their backyard. Together, they planted all kinds of fruits and vegetables, like strawberries and tomatoes. Every day, Eva would water the plants and watch them grow. Soon, they had fresh fruits and vegetables for their kitchen. Eva learned how growing plants was fun. These plants also gave healthy and delicious fruits and vegetables. She planted more in Mummy's kitchen garden next season. Moral of the story: caring for nature teaches patience and love. Growing your own food is fun and healthy. Small efforts every day bring beautiful results. Working together with family makes every task special.